Okay. And because then another thing is like, I want to be able to, because my boys are going to go for college. My one son goes to college this year, and then my other son, um, I don't know if he leaves next year for college. So I want to kind of be able to spend some time with them and go up to, go to the campus and check them out. I know as I was younger, like I never had the time because I was always at work. It was like 60s, 70s. I'm doing 100 hours, and I'm like, oh my god! And they're like, you're never around. We don't, you don't see us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, like, so I want to be able to free myself, whereas I can be available for them when when they have things on campus, or if they want me
Yeah,
to come up or stuff like that. Yes, so that's one of my goals. That's one of my number one goals is like to free up time so I'm able to like
yeah. Control of your
yeah.
life.
Mm-hmm,
Teaching is how you create that time you that you're looking for. When you
mm-hmm,
can you can you can run a seven-figure business from your house, standing in your kitchen and cooking, and in your home kitchen, and sitting in front of your computer like you're doing right now, doing coaching for
mm-hmm.
people who want to learn how to be successful in the culinary industry. You can make way more money without leaving your house just by teaching.
Mm-hmm. And I never thought about that. So you brought it up about the teaching part of it. Yeah, that makes
Yeah,
that makes
think
great
about it.
sense.
Somebody that doesn't
Yeah.
have your family, like you probably take all of this knowledge that y'all have in your family for granted because it's easy. That's just when stuff is right there in front of you and you see it all the time. It's like
Mm-hmm,
Michael Jordan's dad's kids don't think he the greatest because they his kids. He was just dad. Uh,
mm-hmm,
but folks who have ambitions to go on a career journey like what you've had, and they don't
mm-hmm.
even know a chef, those people will pay you to be able to access you and learn from you. And it's, I mean, you know, the industry is a class of culinary school graduates damn near every day all around the country. It's people
Mm-hmm.
just constantly people coming in the industry. It's somebody starting out washing dishes right now who have bigger plans in mind for themselves, but all they know is let me just get in the door washing these dishes. I don't know what the next step is, but I'll start here, and you got the whole roadmap that you can just lay it all out for them. So
Mm-hmm.
that's
Yep.
where you that's where you can really do the lifestyle design stuff, where you're crafting the life that you want because you have
Mm-hmm.
plenty of money and plenty of free time.
Right.
Teaching does that for you.
Definitely. 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 So.
So what are you looking at? What are you looking at in terms of? Because I wrote down what you wanted: catering and the personal chef, and then grow the catering.
Mm-hmm.
But like, what are you trying to get done in 2024 as far as
Uh,
this catering business?
um, pretty much just trying to get it to the next level. Right now, it's in incubate stages. So,
How? How?
what? That's how I look at it. I mean, that's how I look at it. Um, I guess like to build more clientele.
How are you getting
Um,
the clients you getting now?
I get them through referrals.
How many catering or private chef gigs do you want to do per month?
I would say no more because I want to cloud my time up. I would say no more than maybe four, 4 to
So
5.
one a week.
Yes, yes.
How many are you doing now?
Right now I'm doing I just did the two. That was for last month. I'd have anything started up for 24 yet.
How many are you doing any active marketing at all? Or is it just the
Uh,
stuff that comes your way, you take it if you got time?
uh, yeah. So I market some of the stuff that's on my website. Like I have the Valentine dinner for two up there.
How are you marketing that?
So my web guy is pushing it out on social media for me. Instagram, Facebook, and there's another site he was telling me about that he's pushing out on social media.
You know your Instagram account?
Let me see, top of my head. Let me see. Pull everything. Uh,
That's not a good
sh-
sign.
chef to the stars, chef to the stars.
That
So,
that can't be the right one. I mean, I'm looking at
she's,
the Chef to the Stars, Billy Graham. It has your name on it, and the most recent post here looks like you in the gym in July 2023. So that's 6 months ago, and then the one before that is August 2022. So that's a year and 3 or 4 months ago. Those are the two most
yeah.
recent posts.
Hmm. I gotta ask him that because I know he's supposed to be posting that stuff. But I will have an answer for you. I reach back out to him. Because
So
he does my
this is what I'm looking at right here.
right.
This is July. This post right here is July 2023, and this is August 2022. So
To get on top of that. But what do you suggest far as a marketing strategy
I mean, you can
to
use YouTube as your only platform because you can
okay,
use YouTube like Instagram. You can post photos on
okay,
Instagram. I mean, on YouTube, just like you can post on Instagram. Obviously, you're going
okay.
to post the videos and you can
Mm-hmm.
use that. That can be the place where you're sending people. But the whether it's YouTube or Instagram or anything, like you have to do some active marketing,
Okay.
which is how you consistently get those four uh, particular clients that you want every month. Right now, you just cruising along with word of mouth. You know, basically, when the fish jump in the boat, you go ahead and cook it. But
Gotcha.
you can go out. You have to go out and actually look for the fish if you know want to do the things that we were talking about. So if
You
it's
got it.
not,
Mm-hmm.
hopefully, maybe you got another Instagram account and that's where he's been pushing stuff out to. And if not,
Yeah.
then you're not doing any active marketing, and that's got to change. You got to
You got
start
it. Mm-hmm.
putting yourself in front of people. And YouTube will
Okay.
do that for you. You could that could just be your cooking show if you wanted to. That really is the most effective marketing that you can do because it's going to showcase your talents better than anything else. That's just
Okay.
like, you know, you're putting yourself inside people's homes and giving them the Chef Billy Grant experience. Um, and it's separating you from all the other chefs who don't do this. Like
Right. I
everybody's
remember you
on
saying that.
Instagram. Yeah, everybody's on
Mm-hmm.
Instagram and TikTok with those little quick videos that you don't even have to
Mm-hmm.
be able to cook to make. But when you talk about doing a full length cooking show and delivering that on a weekly basis, precious few people are doing that. You just there's no competition there. So
So I got it. I
that's
got that in my notes. Okay.
that's what I would recommend for that. And that
Okay.
that will definitely bring you you're gonna be turning down business. That's gonna easily bring you the one because again, it's only one chef grant, so you can't they 1 gig a week if that's all you want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Then now with limited supply, it's only one of you. Then the price goes up. So if they want you, not a
Mm-hmm.
chef, they want you. They have to
Mm-hmm.
pay what that costs.
Mm-hmm.
And with YouTube, you're no longer just a regional chef. You're no longer just in Philly. You're the chef that people are flying places. If that's what you want, I'm not
Mm-hmm.
sure that's what you want because that's conflicting with your objectives to spend more time with your family.
Mm-hmm.
So just
Okay.
understand what it is you're asking for and what it's
Mm-hmm.
going to cost for you to get it. Everything
Right.
costs. So if you want to
Yes, it
be the chef
does.
that's flying around, there's
Mm-hmm.
a cost to that.
Right.